Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom One, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up moving sensitivity on this device. So, unfortunately, in default mode, we can't use moving sensitivity because our device is our tablet. Our screen is our tablet, and when I'm clicking on the right up corner, my mouse is on the right up corner of my screen. Right down corner, so my mouse in the right down corner. Okay, so I have several monitors, and you can see all my monitors, and when I am clicking on the right up corner, my mouse is switching to the right monitor. Okay, so great. Now we will set it up. How to set up sensitivity? Firstly, we need to enable mouse mode. To do it, we need to open mapping settings, then choose mouse mode, and now we can set up mouse sensitivity. So mouse speed, we can make it slower, we can change mouse height, for example, or mouse acceleration. Yes. Okay. And of course, you can restore default settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.